Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be using this fully 3D printed shredder to try to shred this part of a filament spool. Let's get right into it. And real quick, I have no idea if this works or not, so you'll be finding out with me. What you guys witness is the weakest point of my fully 3D printed shredder minus some metal shafts. The blades held up fine, it's just that it struggled to shred this basic cardboard. Well, granted, the cardboard is quite thick and strong due to not being able to exert enough torque. So obviously humans have their limits, and obviously depending on how strong you are, you'll have varying degrees of success with this shredder because it's hand cranked with a ratchet. Now, how do we improve on torque? So in case you didn't know this beforehand, there's this thing called a gearbox. I think a really good way is to implement a gearbox that is hand cranked onto the shredder. So that's the plans for the future, but I can't leave you guys on a loss. So here's some footage of me shredding some 3D printed supports with this 3D printed hand crank shredder. If you want to support this channel and support what I do, feel free to check out this channel's filament sponsor, 3D Feel. They're a really good product and they're an American manufacturer, and one thing I like about them is that they take their transition spools, because they extrude many different colors. They take the transition spools and grind them down and recycle them into fully recycled filament. So I have a discount code named AZ3DP you can use at checkout to save 10% off site-wide, and it really supports the channel. So if you're living in America and you want to support an American manufacturer, go check them out. With that said, thank you very much for watching, and I just want to give a shameless plug to my own nonprofit, Operation Perpetual Printing, which is the heart and soul of this project. If you want to donate, please check out my website in the description and follow along for more. I've been putting a lot of work into this and it's almost coming together, but there are a lot of revisions to make.